and welcome to Path Made Easy. Today's example is a spindle cell lipoma. So these are benign adipocytic tumours that are fairly common, particularly in the posterior neck, back, shoulder region, where about 80% occur. And they're considered on a spectrum with pleomorphic lipomas. So the spindle cell lipoma, funnily enough, is more spindly. And then at the other end of the spectrum, the pleomorphic lipoma has these kind of floret cells and slightly unusually shaped cells, but they're benign. So I'm just going to talk you through this particular example. So one thing to note is that this spindle cell lipoma is fairly well circumscribed. So we don't see infiltrative growth, and we're not going to see any worrying features like necrosis, significant mitotic rate, or extreme pleomorphism. So what do we find? Well, in spindle cell lipomas, you will see mature fat within the lesion to varying degrees. This particular example has quite a few nodules of mature fat in it. The second thing I tend to look for is the ropey collagen. So you can see that permeating throughout the lesion, these thick bands of bright pink collagen. The next thing I'd look for is areas of myxoid tissue or myxoid stroma, and you can see that here, this stroma here has a slightly blue colour to it. If we look more closely, these are the spindle cells that give the tumour its name, and they'll be fairly bland in this example. And then another helpful clue, although not entirely specific to a spindle cell lipoma, is the presence of mast cells, and there are quite a few scattered throughout this lesion. So spindle cell lipomas are positive for CD34. The mature fat cells will be positive for S100, but the spindle cells will be negative for S100. And overall, the lesion will be negative for things like cytokeratin and SMA. So that was a spindle cell lipoma. So you're looking for spindle cells, ropey collagen, and mature fat to varying degrees. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Path Made Easy. And thank you to Pathogenesis for hosting the video.